everyone. Uh, Today's lecture on Internet of Things, IoT stands for Internet of Things and Digital Twins in Healthcare. In this session, we will explore how modern healthcare is being transformed through connected devices, artificial intelligence, and real-time data system. Healthcare is no longer limited to hospitals, clinics. Instead, patients can now be monitored continuously through devices, wearable sensors, and cloud-based healthcare system. We will also discuss digital twins, which are virtual replicas and of patient or hospital system used to stimulate the treatment and predict the outcome. By the end of this lecture, you should understand how these technologies are shaping the future and smart and personalized healthcare. Lecture overview. This lecture is divided into four categories, four major sections that gradually build your understanding of connected healthcare technologies. First, we will study the fundamental of healthcare Internet of Things system, including their architecture, sensors, connectivity, and workflows. Secondly, we will move forward connected healthcare system such as smart hospitals, wearable technologies, telemedicine, and remote patient monitoring. Third, we will focus on digital twins and learn how virtual stimulation of patients and hospitals can improve diagnosis, treatment planning, and operational efficiency. Finally, we will discuss four major challenges, including cybersecurity, ethical concern, patient privacy, and future trends in healthcare innovation. Think of this lecture, the journey are simple from the health sensor to intelligent virtual healthcare ecosystem. So learning objectives are the learning objectives of this lecture define as a key and knowledge to gain by the end of the session. First, you should understand the technical architecture of Internet of Things system used in the healthcare environment. This includes the sensor, communication network, cloud platform, and applications. Second, you should be able to critically evaluate the effectiveness of digital twins in supporting clinical decision making and predictive healthcare. Third, you should develop an ability to conceptually design connected healthcare solution for chronic disease such as diabetes or cardiovascular disorder. Finally, you should understand the ethical, legal, regulatory responsibility involved in managing patient care and patient data in digital healthcare system. And overall, this lecture aims to build a both technical and understanding and analytical thinking. So you can see that's a definition, fundamental of Internet of Things, IoT in healthcare. The Internet of Things, commonly known as IoT, refers to a network of physical devices connected through the internet that can connect, exchange, and process the data automatically. These devices contain sensors, software, communication, technology that allow them to interact without requiring the constant human involvement in healthcare. So this concept is known as the Internet of Medical Things or Internet of Things. Examples are include the soft smartwatches that monitor heart rate, glucose sensor for diabetes patient, and smart ventilation in hospital, and connected ambulance. The most important concept to understand the Internet of Things creates a bridge between the physical and digital worlds. If a health parameter can be measured, then it can potentially be monitored, analyzed, and improved using connected technology. So the next slide is the strategy importance. What are the strategic, and strategy is not completed without execution. So Internet of Things IoT is strategically important because it transforms the healthcare from a receive system or into a proactive or preventive one. Traditionally, healthcare depended on patient visiting hospitals after symptoms became the severe. With Internet of Things, healthcare professionals can continuously monitor patients in real time, right? And detected abnormalities much earlier. For example, smart devices can instantly alert doctors if a patient experiences abnormal heart rhythm, sudden falls, or dangerous glucose level. Remote monitoring also extend in healthcare services beyond the hospitals and into the patient homes, reducing the hospital readmission, um, and lower the healthcare cost. So another major advantage is that doctors can analyze the long-term health trends. That's why we are using the foster diagnosis, and relying on the occasional checkups. So this kind of improve the decision making and on the evidence base and supports the personalized patient care. Evaluation of health technology. Healthcare technology has evolved significantly over the past few decades. Initially, healthcare systems rely heavily on the paper records, manual communication, and isolated patient data. This traditional model was slow, inefficient, and prone to error. The next stage introduced a digital healthcare systems such as electronic health isolated patient data. The traditional model was slow, inefficient, and prone to error. The next stage introduced a digital systems such as electronic health records (EHR), computerized documentation, and hospital information system. After that came connected healthcare, where telemedicine, wearable wearable kind of devices, and mobile health applications became the common. So today we are entering the era of smart healthcare, where Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing and digital twins work together in real time. So the major transformation is the shift from the static documentation toward the continuous monitor and intelligent healthcare decision making. Now come on the technical components. Healthcare Internet of Things system are built using the several interconnected layers that work together to provide the seamless healthcare monitoring and communication. The first layer is the perception layer, which contains a sensor and actuators that collect the patient information such as heart rate, temperature, blood oxygen, glucose levels. The second layer is a network layer, which transfer the data using like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, low energy, or 5G. The third layer is the middleware or cloud layer, where data is stored and processed and analyzed using the advanced computing system. Finally, the application layer of the presents useful information of the doctors, nurses, and patient through dashboard. Mobile apps and automated alerts, each layer is dependent on the other, meaning a failure one is the layer and can disrupt the entire healthcare system. IoMT workflow. You can see this in diagram how the environment, actuators, interfaces are connected to each other. Basically, the workflow of an IoMT, Internet of Medical Technology, and the things system follows the continuous cycles that begins with the data acquisition. Sensors attached to patient and medical devices collect physiological services or hospital system. Once, such as blood pressure, ECG reading, oxygen saturation, or glucose level. So this information is then transmitted through the communication gateway to cloud services or hospital system. Once the data reaches the processing layers, artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithm analyze the information, remove the servers or hospital system. Once the data reaches the processing layer, so it's artificial intelligence, it's like algorithms identify the anomalies and dangerous trends. Finally, the system access and actions such as sending an alert to clinicals and updating the medical records or automatically adjusted connected devices like insulin pumps, like emergency healthcare situations. Reducing the delay in the workflow can directly save lives. So, Internet of Medical things is classified based on where and how they are used. Like you can see that we use the digital watch. How they are used on body devices are worn. The patient used by patient include the smartwatches, ECG, and patches, hearing aids, and fitness tracks. So these devices continuously collect the healthcare data and support remote monitoring. And hospital devices include ventilators, MRI system, infusion pumps, and smart beds that are connected to hospital for centralized monitoring and management. In-home devices include fall detectors, medications dispensers, smart scales, and home monitoring system designed for elderly and chronically ill patients. The wide spectrum of devices demonstrate how healthcare is expanding beyond hospital walls and becoming the more patient-centered. So the senses of Internet of Things. Sensors, you can see that, are often described the senses of Internet of Medical Things system because they are responsible for collecting the data from the patient and environment. Optical sensors such as the photophyllismography or PP, which stands for PPG sensor. You can see that in the first one, that heart attack, blood oxygen level. Electrochemical sensors are used to continuous glucose monitoring in diabetic patient. Accelerometer track measures and have the detect fall or monitor the gait disorders such as Parkinson disease. Thermopile sensors measure body temperature and acid infection monitoring. The quality of healthcare decision depends on heavily on accuracy, precision, and reliability of this sensor. Poor sensor accuracy can lead to incorrect diagnosis or dangerous treatment decision. Connectivity landscape. Connectivity technologies from the communication backbone of healthcare of Internet of Things system. Bluetooth Low Energy or BLE widely used in the wearable devices because it consumes very little power while supporting the uh, short supporting the short range of communication. Wi-Fi, which provide the higher bandwidth in commonly used inside the hospital for imaging system and patient monitoring network. 5G and future 6G technologies offer ultra low latency communication that making advanced applications such as robotic in surgery and autonomous emergency system possible. LoRaWAN is another important technology that support the long-range communication with minimal energy consumption, especially useful at large hospital campuses. Choosing the right communication protocol always involves the balancing range, bandwidth, reliability, and energy efficiency. The cloud engine. Cloud engine is essential for modern healthcare system, right? So it's like because connected medical devices generate the enormous amount of data every second. Hospital produced telemetry data, medical imaging files, laboratory reports, and electronic health records that require the large-scale storage and processing capabilities, right? So cloud platforms provide the scalability, allowing the healthcare system to handle the sudden increases in demands during the pandemic and emergencies. Cloud system can improve the interoperability, be allowing the specialists from different locations of security access patient data. Another emerging trend is the edge computing, where some data processing happen directly to the device itself. So this reduces the network delays and enable the faster real-time decision making in critical healthcare situations. The brain of Internet of Things. Artificial intelligence act as a intelligence layer of the IoT, that is Internet of Things healthcare system. While Internet of Things IoT devices continuously collect a large amount of raw data, AI convert the data into the meaningful insight and predictions. Predictive analytics system can identify the sign sign of sepsis, heart failure, infection, respiratory distress, hours before the system become the critical. AI also enable automation through the closed loop healthcare system. For example, a smart insulin pump receive glucose readings from the sensor and automatically adjust insulin delivery without requiring the manual intervention. So without AI, healthcare professional would struggle to analyze overwhelming and amount of information produced by connected devices. Therefore, Internet of Things provide the data, and while AI provide the intelligence needed for smarter healthcare decision. Thank you, everyone. We will continue this lecture.